Hi, I'm Robin from Robin Bits and Pieces, and I have to make this video while I'm still mad to the core. My husband bought me a multi-tool Ryobi kit for Christmas. The only thing I used out of that was the drill to put on the windows on the greenhouse and this multi-tool cut, like a plunge cutter. And when I was using it, I'd only used it about 3 hours and it stalled on me. And I thought, well, I read the directions. It says it had a safety mechanism. If it got too hot, it shut off. I hadn't used it that long, so I let it set for a little bit, and it started back up, but it started cutting out. And I took the battery out, and the 2 prongs from the inside had broke off. It was defective. So I tried calling that day, and it was on a Saturday, and I was on hold forever. It said you could call 0 if you wanted to leave a voicemail, which it gave me a busy signal. So I tried again a busy signal. The next day I tried calling was New Year's Eve. That was a holiday, so they weren't working. So I finally called today, and they said, just take it back to the store. I said, I don't want it fixed. I want it replaced because it's brand new. Just take it back to the store. So I live out in the country. It's an hour and a half one way just to the town, or 45 minutes just to the town. It's an hour and a half round trip. But Home Depot is clear on the other side of town, which is another 20 minutes. I have spent my whole day. So I took this in, and they wouldn't just replace this because it came in a multi-tool purchase. They had to have all of them. Mind you, I haven't used the saw. I haven't used the light. I haven't used the impact driver. But I had used this. So I had to come all the way back home, get the rest of the tools, take them back in for them to replace it. I'm going to blast this on social media and on YouTube. And the gentleman shows me his name, and it's like, I'm not mad at you, you're just the guy standing in front of me. He says, well, you seem like a nice person. He says, but I don't think I'd want to mess with you when you're mad. And I said, nope, German-Irish and little people sprinkled on top. I am mad. But not at him. It wasn't his fault. He was the person just doing the exchange. And not going to say his name because, like I said, it's not his fault. My problem is customer service with Ryobi. I was going to buy a table saw from Ryobi because mine's not safe. The safety guard, the kickback guard, it's broke off. But I'm going to look online for another one because at this point, either buy single tools from Ryobi or buy a different brand. My husband's had his for like 18 years and they work great. These came in like a cloth duffel bag. His came in a plastic hard case. I think they may have been built better back then. I'm not sure. I guess time will tell. If I have another problem, I'm not sure that I would replace it for this. I'd just get a refund. If they would have the same customer service as wall clippers do, it would be awesome. I've sent this one in twice, and you pay for a battery exchange because they're cordless, and they've sent me a brand new one twice. I've sent my little one in once, and I just got it back today, and it's brand new. And both times I get brand new blades, which these are about $25 blades on this one and $20 blades on this one. Wall has great customer service. If they had a line of tools, I'd be buying them. Anyhow, please share this so that nobody goes through the same thing I did. It's just wasted my whole day. I could have been out working on my greenhouse. It's 50 degrees, and I am just livid that I have spent my whole day running back and forth to town over a product that was defective and not my fault. So my next videos coming up are going to be on turkey and how to use leftovers on turkey. I'm going to call it turkey for two, but actually this, how I do my turkey and the meals you can make afterwards would work for a large family. It just wouldn't last as long. When I make a turkey for just my husband and I, we can have meals for about 3 weeks off one turkey. And I have a really cute one that was actually thought up by my grandson. And it was just a combination of a need, an idea, and it came out exceptionally well. So join me on my journey and come back.